paint your masterpiece. Choosing the right components is a careful balancing act. It's about understanding what you need from your gaming experience and aligning that with your budget. Whether you're a casual gamer or an esports enthusiast, there's a build that's perfect for you. Building your PC is a journey. From preparing your workspace, selecting the right tools, to meticulously installing each component and managing your cables for a clean look. And when you power it on for the first time and it hums to life, that's a moment of triumph. But the work doesn't stop there. It's crucial to test your system to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you encounter issues, no display, system errors, don't panic. They're part of the process, and there's always a solution. Remember, building a custom gaming PC is not just about the destination, the powerful personalized machine. It's about the journey, the learning,